Presiden Barim Kaseng BJP iba Ernest Mauri ila penpau ba kinong kersyan kani Kaseng kikwa tiket na kabenta ke Ilekshon Lok Sabha na Shillong bat turasi da kitu ki badai bet na kani Kaseng. La aman kedau ba kila don hadu sawut ki balapan tiket na Kaseng BJP na kabenta ke Shillong seat. Kini kikentop yo Menteri Kabinet iba Alexander Elhek ikong fenala nonglat iba Ernest Mauri bat uway ubalong unong yalam na kabenta ki Samla. Haba penpau hakilat pathai kubor hene kesngi iba Mauri loong ba ilapan tiket hadin bagi nongkersyan Jong Kaseng ki banakeleng ke Shillong Parliamentary Constituency kila kerpat ya i banyakun hakane ke election.
I was the state secretary, then I was the vice president during Shibun Lindo as president, and I was the state president. So my associate with the party is very long. And first and foremost very important point to be highlighted here, anybody who contests from the BJP, first and foremost they should know the ideology of the party. And that's why the demand has come from the party workers all over the Shillong parliamentary seat, even for all around the Shillong. They want that anybody who contests from BJP, they should be from the party and they should know clearly the ideology of the party. That is the demand of the party Karyakarta and the members of the party.